I see a lot of houses, but this one is one that I would move into today. Don't just take my word for it. Come inside and see for yourself. This is a brand new 2024 construction. It has 5 bedrooms, 6.5 bath, a den, and over 7,800 square feet of pure perfection. It's situated on a quiet street in Pinecrest on nearly an acre property that's covered in gorgeous vegetation. As amazing as the interiors are, the outdoor spaces are the icing on the cake. There are 2 distinct outdoor living spaces, a cabana bath, an outdoor shower, and you have more than 20 oak trees on the property. Step outside and you're in your own paradise. The primary suite has a ton of amazing hidden features. The coffee bar, the custom home gym, but what's behind this door is my favorite room in the house. Welcome to your dream closet. When you're all dressed and ready, head right in to your very own spa retreat.